You're all set to attend an outdoor concert, but suddenly it starts pouring rain. The organizers announce, "We have to call off the concert due to bad weather." That means the event is canceled. Imagine you've been preparing for a big work presentation. Then your boss says, "We need to call off the meeting because the client is unavailable." That means the meeting has been canceled. You and your friends planned a weekend hike. On Friday, someone messages, "We should call off the hike. Looks like a storm is coming." That means the plan is canceled because of the weather. In a news report, you hear, "Authorities decided to call off the search after finding the missing person safe." That means the search effort has been stopped. You hear someone say, "They decided to call off the wedding." That means the couple has canceled the event, usually because of a major decision. Workers at a factory were planning to go on strike for better wages. However, after successful negotiations, the union leaders decided to call off the strike. That means the strike was canceled. A rescue team was looking for a lost hiker. After hours of searching, they found them safe and sound. The team leader announced, "We can call off the search now." That means the search operation was stopped. You've been studying hard for your school exams, but then you hear the announcement, "All exams are called off due to a sudden power outage." That means the exams are canceled. A much-awaited movie premiere was scheduled for Friday, but the production company issued a statement. "Due to unforeseen circumstances, we have to call off the premiere." That means the event is canceled. You're at a shopping mall and security guards are chasing a shoplifter. Suddenly, the lead guard says, "Call off the chase. They've left the property." That means the guards stop pursuing the person. A heated argument breaks out in a meeting. The manager steps in and says, "Let's call off this argument and focus on solutions." That means stopping the argument and changing focus. Imagine a dog is barking at a stranger. The owner yells, "I'll call off my dog." That means the owner will command the dog to stop barking or behaving aggressively. During a fire drill, the alarm is ringing and everyone is evacuating. Suddenly, the supervisor announces, "Call off the evacuation. It was a false alarm." That means stopping the evacuation process. In a news report, the anchor says, "Police called off their search for the suspect after realizing it was a case of mistaken identity." That means the search was stopped because it was no longer necessary. Now you know what call off means and how to use it in different situations. Have you ever had to call off an event, a meeting, or a plan? Share your experience in the comments below.